thing. Come on, baby.
Day 2 of Hoonigans Wanted Season 2, and today we're gonna test sendability. Give him hell, Zach!
Yeah, brother!
All right, but really, we are out here in Ridgecrest, California, taking the 124s out of their element and onto the dirt. And the goal for today being, we're gonna eliminate 4 people.
So yesterday at Grange, it was a proving grounds to get picked. That's Darren Parsons, ladies and gentlemen.
He set up this course so he could just, you know, bogart our shoot.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, what's up, bud?
Yo. Ladies and gentlemen, Darren Parsons. If you're not familiar, let's cut to some footage of Darren sending it.
Have you ever built the track like this before?
No, but I had a good idea in my head what they look like.
All right, anyway, back to business. Yesterday at Grange Motor Circuit, we tested the contenders and their skill set for the tight course, front wheel drive, and most importantly, teamwork.
I was gonna say most importantly, dealing with our bullshit. That's hard. That's a hard thing to deal with.
That too.
But in the end, we divided them into 2 teams. Reese and Tavo picked, and now they're gonna see how their contestants work out. So today, what they're gonna do is coach the contenders through how to navigate the 124 through this off-road course. So we aren't looking for just the fastest driver. We wanna see who's improving the most, who's taking their coach's advice the best, and honestly, who's having the most fun, because this looks dope, and if we see one single sour face, they're getting the boot.
Sendability and coachability, 2 top things for today.
How are you gonna talk about sendability when you didn't hit that ramp?
Somebody chained a pipe to it.
That's the only reason why. That's the only...
Today's challenge is the Handbrake Hoedown. Over 10 turns of loose dirt surface, chock full of decreasing radius corners, fast sweepers, and high commitment hairpins, all designed to upset the car and expose driver weakness. And to add a little spice to the mix, we've incorporated this handbrake box obstacle.
And for all you stance kids out there, we did have to raise these cars up. They got BC Racing Coilovers on them, so since we're off-road, we didn't want to have them super slammed. We cranked the coils up a little bit, but they still look pretty tough, all covered in dirt. We got the BC forged wheels, the Toyo tires for a nice meaty stance. So these things look tough. We actually changed up the tires. So yesterday we were running the R888Rs for ultimate grip on tarmac. And today we have some Toyo Proxy 4S, and these are a little bit more compliant for dirt. The lower amount of traction will definitely make it more exciting. And watching Reese and Tavo out on track, it looks fun.
Yeah.
For those of you guys that don't remember, this is Sarah Price. She won Hoonigans Wanted last year and got to race at San Pedro Martir Hill Climb, Mount Washington Hill Climb, and then went on to race Baja 1000 with RPM Off-Road.
Yeah.
Well, welcome back.
I'm stoked to be out here. We have a good group. We have 10 people. It's interesting to see them on dirt today because I heard that they got down on the streets yesterday.
Some things just don't change. They got down on the streets yesterday. We sent them out. They were out there rolling dice, cutting people.
Yeah!
So what we're gonna do today, everyone give it a round of applause for Darren Parsons. So Darren set this course up this morning. Reese and Tavo ran some laps in it and we made some tweaks. It's super fun. So what we're gonna be testing you guys on today is not just how fast you are around this track, but also how much improvement you make. So Reese and Tavo are gonna be teaching you guys and coaching you along how to get better at doing this. It's super tricky. The Fiats aren't meant to be off-road vehicles, shocker, right? Let's have you guys go out, have fun, listen to these dudes because they're fucking awesome and you'll learn a lot. So take some improvement, we'll do some before and after times, we'll have a lot of fun. At the end of today, we're gonna cut 4 people out of this. Drive hard, drive fast, try to be a hero without blowing it. And if you're gonna blow it, roll the thing over, blow it up on fire, because then at least it might be cool. All right, let's go for a rip.
What are we doing?
I want you to explain the course on camera.
Oh, okay. Let's do that. Right. Yes.
Can you take us through your race car prep that you've done here?
Stunting 101. Tape the button on the handbrake.
That's Insta race car, Insta rally car, right?
I'm telling you, you've got to have one of those. You cannot, actually, you cannot get around this course without one of those because I designed it that way. Ding! So you're on a pavement all-season tire, so sliding is essential to carry speed, but barely sliding and using roll speed through these dirt sections. You got a tight right, tight left combination here into a sweeping right that tightens. So I'm second gear, just sliding a little bit, and very loose hands, trying to keep very smooth and smooth power delivery as well. Up the hips up a lot higher.
Yeah.
Going for it, coming into the bleacher corner. Use the same technique into here though. Got to get that speed down to first, off the foot brake, handbrake, pop the clutch. Tight exit. Shift second on the transition. Let's go. Come on, baby. Fast hand, slow feet.
What was that? Fast hands, slow feet?
Fast hand, slow feet.
What does that mean?
You gotta have quick, loose hands on dirt and be smooth with the throttle.
Whose man is that? Wow, they hit a cinder block.
How you doing in here?
I'm good. You know, these kids are first time they've ever been on dirt, so I'm shitting myself in the right seat.
This thing on?
Greek.
Oh yeah.
Like
Christian was a
she was on stage.
Wow, so he's. Can you just be on camera saying that
again?
So Christian was a 118.6. Micah did a 116.2 and then followed it with 116 even.
Wow. So he's quite a bit faster than everyone.
Yeah,
So who was third?
and the gap after Christian widens exponentially after that.
Wow.
I mean, it's worth noting that Micah was 2.5 seconds faster than everyone else.
Holy shit, really?
Yeah.
What other time
He did a 116. Reese averaged like a 114.
Oh, good. That's what we need to know.
All right, well, we got 4 people to eliminate, so we're gonna get to racing.
Yeah, do it again. Come on.
I'll just
leave it casual.
It's okay, I'll do it. You do it.
So today, 4 people are getting eliminated. Let's go do this.
Oh, that's better than mine. Hey guys, guess what? They're not gonna say who goes first or last, so just start punching people and get in the car.
All right, you know what time it is. Are you ready, Jackie? Get it!
These freaking Fiat's been taking us all day long with 0 issues.
Yeah, it's hot out too. These people aren't being kind to them.
No, they're not.
an awesome job.
Honestly, this is the best run I've seen so far by Christian.
Yes! That's some coaching right there.
I like how he took all the credit for it. Amazing.
Second improvement over her first lap.
Yes.
I don't give a shit about the first one because I fucking hit the keyhole, dude.
Yeah.
I did it. Like, fuck, yes, dude. Yes.
So I killed 2 or 3 hay bales, feral, I murder-lated them.
I hope, is it on? It's on. Should we review lap times first?
Let's do it.
Anybody got him?
Someone. Thanks, T. I heard a rumor out there. Someone might have put down a time faster than you.
Oh, you mean someone running solo flying lap? Not done yet. 2.5 faster.
Yeah. What were those last couple words?
Yeah.
2.5. That was a complete shocker that Micah was not only the fastest driver throughout the entire day, but actually put down a really competitive time to what Reese was putting down. Granted, some variables.
For me though, Ashton, wow, in the warm-up laps earlier, it was amazing to see her comfort level on the dirt, skill set, and then just the questions that she was arming herself, throwing at me to get as much information as she could, to extract as much as she could, to really go out there and perform her best.
She screwed up on turn 2, but she didn't let that ruin the rest of her run. Right away, fixed it and drove even the rest of that lap really well, and then put down a really clean lap right after. So Brian actually 3rd fastest overall today.
He did a great job driving today. He takes instructions super well. He did a track walk during lunch, so he's committed.
I would also like to add that he came in championship level amplitude coming out of the car.
I said f***ing right, I didn't hit anything!
Post-victory celebration is a really important part about being a race car driver.
Christian, full redemption from yesterday.
Yeah.
From his big fail. Not so much performance on course, but not following instruction.
No, what are you doing?
Oh my god, my flyer lap!
What are you doing?
Came
Blew me
back
away.
and just super balanced driving. What I expected from someone who's familiar in dirt.
I feel like Hoedown, he came in, he made a mistake really fast, and he couldn't recover from it. It just haunted him the rest of the time. Each corner he came up to, he was still making mistakes, and he was pushing his limits a little bit too much, and then going off here, hitting hay bales here, and
One of the factors we even forget about, because we're all trained professionals, is being on camera, I guess, gets to people's heads, It's that paired with everyone watching, what's at stake. I think it just got to him and he just couldn't pull it back together.
George looked good. I think it was too conservative, super timid, and he was, just trying to rail around the corners. And I don't think his time was bad, but he wasn't flinging it,
Yeah.
Jamie, again, I think similar to George, just brand new environment, didn't really adapt very well. She was clean, but I don't think she was as fast again. Some people adapt, and Jamie just might take a little bit longer.
And if Jessica was in that same grouping of Jamie and George, that there was definitely a ceiling that was too low of how much she was really willing to push it.
All right, so we got to pick people to move on. It sucks eliminating people, but I know you guys have it in your head, so I just want to see if we agree.
I'll go first.
All right.
My top 3 picks: Nick, Christian, Ashton.
Cosign.
Yep.
Stamp of approval.
I agree on that.
My 3 picks are Micah, Brian, Jackie.
Also.